Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about using Rufus to install Windows, one of the fastest and most reliable ways to create a bootable USB and get your system up and running. If you've ever struggled with installing Windows or wanted a simple, beginner-friendly solution, this video is for you. And of course, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. So why use Rufus for Windows installation? The main reason is speed and convenience. With Rufus, you can turn any USB drive into a bootable Windows installer in just a few minutes. No more dealing with CDs or DVDs. All you need is a USB stick and the Windows ISO file. Here's how it works. First, download Rufus and plug in your USB drive. Then, select the Windows ISO file you want to install. Rufus will format the USB drive, make it bootable, and copy all necessary installation files. Once it's done, you can plug the USB into the computer where you want to install Windows, boot from it, and follow the installation process. It's fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. One of the best things about Rufus is compatibility. It works with both BIOS and UEFI systems, and you can choose the partition scheme that matches your computer's configuration, either MBR or GPT. You can also select file systems like FAT32 or NTFS, depending on your setup. This ensures that your bootable USB works on almost any Windows machine. A few tips for success. Always back up your USB drive before using Rufus, because the process will erase all data. Double check that you've selected the correct USB drive and ISO file. And if you're new to Rufus, stick with the default settings. They're usually perfect for a standard Windows installation. In short, Rufus makes Windows installation fast, easy, and reliable. It's perfect for anyone who needs to install or reinstall Windows on a PC without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need it, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.